All right, hi guys. So this is going to be a quick review of 9.2. So if you didn't already look back at the quiz that I sent you on Friday, the first page was actually the easier page and we made more mistakes on it. So I think we just kind of forgot when we got to the more complicated stuff. But when it tells you to factor something, remember factor just means to undistribute. So we all know how to distribute. If I say, oh, here's 6 times the quantity 7k to the power of 5 plus 3k minus 7. Well, we know how to do that. We just take that 6 and we multiply it times each of these terms. And we end up with 42k to the power of 5 plus 18k minus 42. Okay, well, they might give us a question that says, hey, I need you to factor out a 6 from, and then they give you that polynomial right there, 42k to the power of 5 plus 18k minus 42. Okay, well, we already know what the answer is. They're asking us, hey, what did this look like before we distributed a 6 to it? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the 6 back out. So we're going to do 6 times the quantity. And now we just need to figure out what goes in the parentheses. So we're asking, what was this term before it got multiplied by 6? Well, it was 7k to the power of 5. What was this term? That was 3k. What was this term? This was minus 7. And there is our factored form. Now, they might make it a little bit more complicated for us. They might say, hey, I need you to factor out a 5y cubed from, and they might give us something a little bit longer, 45x squared y to the 10th plus 30x y to the power of 3 minus 10x cubed y cubed z cubed. And it keeps going, plus 15y cubed. So you'll notice not all of these have the same variables in it, but don't get freaked out. You know where your terms are because this is all multiplied, so this is all one term. So you have 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. And when you call a polynomial with 4 terms, there's no special word. It's just a polynomial with 4 terms. All right, well, let's go ahead and do it. So same idea here. We have to pull out this 5y cubed, so it's going to be written out front, 5y cubed. And we did not already do the distribution on this one, so we have to actually do a little bit of thinking. So looking at this term, what was it before it got multiplied by 5y cubed? Well, so we're asking what's 45 divided by 5? That gives us 9. Okay, there was no, there's no x here. That's not being affected at all. So that x squared is just staying the way it is. But we can do y to the power of 10 divided by y cubed. That gives us y to the power of 7. We're going to do that for every single one of these. Coefficient is the easy part. 30 divided by 5 is 6. X stays the same. But y cubed divided by y cubed is, well, 1. So the y is gone. Minus, okay, 10 divided by 5 is 2. X stays the same. Y cubed, that's gone. But z cubed is still there. Oops, I forgot my little cubed on my x there. All right, there we go. Plus, and then 15 divided by 5 is 3. And y cubed again disappears. So there we go. There's our factored out expression.